Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And IDC is a company that looks at the different PC sales, the market share. And, we have these numbers from time to time about how well the PC market is going. Well, IDC has issued today a projection for the upcoming years until 2030. And so IDC has forecast in the Worldwide PC and Tablet Forecast 2025 to 2030 that 2026 will be a rather bad year with declining sales of up to 11% compared to last year. Now, it is to note that last year was a pretty good year. 2025 was really amazing. The reason IDC says that this year is going to really decline fast is two things. The prices of parts, RAM and SSD drives, that are going through the roof because of AI servers needing a lot of those. So the prices are going to go up, and this will slow down the sales of PCs and tablets. The other consequence is the headwinds because of the very uncertain economy, because of all sorts of last minute changes and all sorts of decision at the government level. This also is not helping the PC industry. So 11% decline for 2026, expected to pretty much hold on 2027, as IDC says that it doesn't see the price of RAM and SSDs getting, interesting anytime soon, and that the RAM prices will still be very high in 2027, apparently. After 2028, 29, and 30, that's where they see that slowly the market could be getting back on its feet, and PC sales could actually come back to almost what they were in 2025 by 2030. But of course, these are projections, and you never know what's going to happen. It all has to do with, the economics of all of it going well, and also that the shortage of RAM and SSD will at some point, be resolved because of maybe higher manufacturing of quantities of RAM and so on, and prices going down. We will see. But they are saying that what will hit 2026 and 2027 for a lot of people is that the bargain priced PC is not going to be there this year and next year because of the very high price for parts. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.